2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.